Hi there, welcome to Travelers Backpacker. Myself Nikhil over here. So today we are at Vembanadu Lake at the God's own country Kerala, Alappuzha. So today we are going to cruise across Vembanadu Lake and we have taken the houseboat. The houseboat name is Bamboo Green 2. So we have the one over there which is parked beside our cruise, and this is a Nadan Vallan. So we are gonna take you to the tour and you can view it over here. This is the boat where we are going to cruise for this night, and we are going to stay over here for this night. So guys, this is Nadanam Bamboo Green 2. So this is the boat we are going to cruise today, and you see the other boat over there, that is Bamboo Green 1. So this has been, and it's been recommended for each one of you guys across this world. You can book the ticket and you can always get in touch with me. Travelers Backpacker will be providing a best package towards Kerala, Alleppey or anywhere across the world. And if you're going to book any boat services, you're going to get 20% offer and coming season. And if you want more details, we're going to start that, and you can contact us anytime. So the email ID and all the contact details will be given in the description, guys. So let me get into that and I'm going to view it. So I'm going to cruise across the Vembanadu Lake. So let me get on board. So guys, finally we are on board of Bamboo Green 2, the Nadanam. Nadanam in the sense it's a dance. So this cruise ship which is going to be dancing in the Vembanadu Lake, and we are going to cruise across this God's own country with a peace of mind, and which I'm going to come up with a lot of videos, the glimpse of Vembanadu Lake, and we are going to go and have the food right now. So let's begin the food journey immediately. So guys, are you guys enjoying the ride? Even I'm enjoying the ride over here in Bamboo Green 2. And right now I'm cruising across River Pamba in Vembanadu Lake. So as you guys know, I'm also a captain. I used to drive yachts, sail yachts, I'm sorry. So this is how it is. It's excellent actually. Whenever you come over here, right, you can also experience this. But it doesn't mean like that. But also safety is important. You got to know that. You know, before cruising or safety things should be must for you guys. So that is how it is. So this is the throttle. I mean, this is the venture, and this is the throttles over here, and this is how they cruise. Because there are a lot of things what you need to know about this place, especially if you come to Alleppey. If you come along with me, if you are planning with any groups or anything, I can give you 30% discount on that. So I hope you guys love it. So this is Captain Nikhil on board from Bamboo Green 2, sailing across Alleppey River. So my dear friends, so I'm going to introduce my friends on board, and they're also my guests on board today. And so I'm going to introduce you guys to them. Okay. So Mr. Abhinav. Hi Abhinav, how are you?
Fine.
Srikanth, that is Srikanth, and he's Mahesh. So these guys are from Hyderabad. These guys are my friends actually.
Miracle and everything is awesome, man.
So as you guys know how enthusiastic they are, they've been over here for first time, and they're actually enjoying the view. And you can see the paddy field which is filled with complete water, and I'm actually getting the taste. It's coming to my nose actually. The fish fry is going on, and I said you guys about the curry mean. So whenever you come to Kerala, don't forget to eat curry mean. Curry mean, it has a lot of thorns though, but also it is the one best food, and the rating would be 10 out of 10. But let us see how they're going to cook today. And we have Dinesh on board as a chef today, and let's see. I'm actually expecting much more than last travel actually. So let's get into that. And so guys, you might be also thinking about the safety of this boat also, right? So whenever you come over here, all the boats across Alleppey is going to be first making sure on your safety, guys. The safety in the sense, like in case of any accidents or anything, or drowning or anything, it won't happen. But also in case if anything happens, they do have all this life jackets, and you have the rings also. We have the rings on top. We'll be showing you that there is a ring behind. So those rings can help you from drowning. Hey there, my dear friends. So welcome to the Kerala dish, and it's already, the sadhya is ready over here. So we have the favorite fish, which is called the pearl spot, and this is also known as the desi name. The local name is known to be the curry mean, and it's also known as black spot. Okay, pearl spot, I'm sorry, it's not a black spot, it's a pearl spot fish, and which is going to be very awesome for you guys. Let me show that for you guys. We're going to taste this, and we're going to have beauty and the taste of this curry mean. And I hope you guys are getting cucumbers, carrot and shallot, and also some onions. There's a sambar which has almost like 5 to 6 kind of vegetables. This is lemon pickle, guys. We have the curd over here. Curd also keep papads over here. So this is papad, so which we are gonna add with the rice, and we're gonna eat it. So guys, there is a way of eating this food, and right now we are gonna use our hand to use this food. Okay, have this food, and you're gonna mix it. And in Kerala we say korachi kadikia. Okay, so you gotta mix it. Korikal means mixing the food, and you gotta put this on top of it, and a bit of this cabbage on top of it. and 1 piece of pearl spot. Okay, this is how you're gonna have. Before having into this food, I want to just taste this like that, how it's gonna be. And so sorry guys, before getting into my mouth, this is for you guys. And I'm gonna have it right now. And I would like to have food with each one of you guys whenever you would like to come to Alleppey. I'll be the host for you guys, and we have the best booking. And let me eat this, my mouth is watering. Wow. This is one of the excellent fish, guys. You know, I can't say the taste of this fish, but it is fabulous. It is fabulous. And I'm gonna have this rice also. And let me give it to you guys also. And yeah, now I'm gonna have a bit of it. Wow. It's fabulous, guys. It's very extraordinary. And I'm gonna take another piece of papud and just gonna mix it with it. And 1 piece of fish I'm gonna put on top of it. And little bit cabbage and little bit bean. I'm gonna mix it together and I'm gonna have it once again, guys. This is excellent, guys. We gotta try this. So we are gonna have this food and get back to you with a lot of views of Vembanadu Lake. So till that stage, we have a lot of spotting areas like you know, we do have bird spotting areas, and also we do have a fishing area. And you also have, because due to the water level increase, we can't go and see all those things. But also we'll make sure we'll give our 100% and capture everything for you guys. Okay, let's get in, guys. Come over here. So when you come over here, as I said you, Valluvanadu. Valluvanadu in the sense like, the Valluvanadu came from the name of boat. So this boat is also used for the race. And every year, August 14th, the second Saturday, let it come any date, but the August 14 or August 2nd Saturday on every year, there is a boat race which known to be Nehru Vallom Kali. Nehru boat race is one of the famous boat race in Kerala where you need experiences. Due to this COVID-19, they have cancelled the boat race actually, guys. So this is one of the best place to see this boat race, and you have a lot of foreigners visiting to view this boat racing over here, guys. So this boat race happens in this river, Vembanadu. Just come back. So as I said we already saw the room and everything. So this is the galleyway, guys. So this is the galleyway that is aft behind. We have the kitchen over there. So we already met the chef, and we already have a captain on board. So we are going to do that. And also we are going to show you a lot of views across, and let's have our food right now. It's a good time. You come inside, and one more thing is like, we're gonna go up upper deck, and last time we got a single deck over here, so I'm gonna show you the tour over there also. Stays over here, so I'm gonna climb up, and that's gonna be awesome. Yo man, yo, that's gorgeous, guys. That's so awesome for us, and we are enjoying the greatest view of Vembanadu Lake. You guys know that, right? So in the view of Vembanadu Lake over here, I'm on top of this cruise. So it's so awesome, guys. I hope you guys should come over here and experience this beauty. You know that, many of you, I know that it's Corona, and right now you gotta get out, you gotta start your journey. But whatever it may be, with the precautions, guys. Without precaution, nobody is going to recommend you to travel. So because everybody's safety is important, so we take care about it. So this is how it is. Have a look across of 360 degrees of this Vembanadu Kayal. basically with the eyes, you know, the beauty can be only seen through your eyes, because even the visualizing of this video might give you a bit good thing, though the appearance, more clarity and more efficient thing. If you want to experience, you gotta be in this place, God's own country, Alleppey. You know, you gotta be over here, mate. So hope you please enjoy this and so hey there. So last time we couldn't buy the fish, right? Last boat trip. So right now we have stopped to buy some fish right now. So we're gonna buy. So I'm on my Kerala tradition dress, right? So I hope you guys like this. So when you come onto this boat, you're going to experience the same thing when you come to Kerala on this houseboat. So let's go and buy the fish, right? So guys, we have crabs over here. This is costing about like 1,200 actually per kg, and we also have so this is actually Naiman, and I don't know the name of the English name of it, but yes, I'm gonna definitely mention it over there. So I actually bought two of the fish, which is about like coming around like 1.322, about like 1.5 kilos. So we are gonna take two fishes over here. So the fish is ready for today's dinner, and we're gonna do this, and we're gonna eat this fish today. Alright guys, so it costed around like 1,300 for us. So we are gonna do that, and let's begin the journey today. Thirsty, and I'm just gonna have some tender coconut right now. So let me have it, okay? We'll enjoy it. Do you wanna see how they're gonna cut it? Just have a look. And mask is mandatory in Kerala. Actually, only due to this video purpose, and I just removed the mask. So don't mind, guys. Safety is important. Make sure you wear the mask wherever you are. Okay. I just got the tender coconut. This is for you guys, you know. And I'm gonna try it, man. Wow, it's so refreshing. It's excellent. So let's see you on board. All right. Let me finish. So here there, you would like to see the morning beauty of Kerala, the God's own country, Alleppey. And this is our checkout day, the last day on board on Bamboo Green. And thank you so much, Arun Jalasri. Thank you so much, bro. Thank you for hosting us on board. And all my friends were being happy. And I would be recommending your boats to people. So whoever is watching over here, guys, you can definitely contact me. You'll get 20% discount on houseboats if you would like to book like 2+ nights, and even for 1 night stay we'll give you a good package also. So you can see the beauty of Vembanadu Lake, and we've been docking over here since last night. So we couldn't make some food video last night. So we're gonna make the breakfast over here. So we'll be doing that video, and I hope you'll be enjoying more views on this morning wave. So guys, it is a breakfast time right now. So we got some idli, sambal and sambar and some tea. So let me show you that. So great, good idli. We have sambal and we have sambar over here. And we have good tea. So it's all ready. See, Srikanth is here. Good morning, Srikanth.
Morning.
How was your trip? How did you enjoy last night?
Fabulous journey. We cannot lose this memory again.
Cool. So guys, I hope you heard about it. So they're also first time travel over here. So they enjoyed a lot. So we're gonna have the breakfast and we'll be starting. And we'll be showing you more view of Kuttanadan. And you can see